Hey there. Well, today I'm going to show you what a lot of people seem to think is undoable, which is installing Windows 11 on a pre-8th gen laptop or PC. Now, either I'm missing something or people just haven't figured it out yet, but they're saying that you need like Rufus or some other software. Otherwise, it's not a simple way to do it, but I've been doing it a long time and people have been saying you can't do that. And I said, well, I already did. So, and there was really nothing special about it. We just kind of figured no forcing, no real workaround. But I'm doing one right now, and we'll show you how it's done. So this is a 6th generation Dell Latitude laptop. It just did the install using Windows Media Installer. We're at the setup screen here right now. This is already installed. We're just going to do the walkthrough. Over here, I've got a customer with a Windows 7. Same thing. This is a 6th generation Dell, and I'm going to do the whole walkthrough. Things first, let's turn this thing on, and we'll see here. We're going to boot up to the Windows 7 screen. I think the customer's first name is on there, so I don't think they would mind that much, but we'll cover it up anyway. Let's see here. Yep, here we go. Starting Windows. And flip this around. And Windows 7 Professional. All right. Let's put Windows 11 on this. I'm going to take the same USB stick that I just labeled Windows 11 23H2. And I should power this down. Where's that power button? Oh, here it is. Windows 7 power. Shutting down. Goodbye, Windows 7. Have a nice life. All right, we're going to install disk. Powering up. Hit F2. Am I too late? I'm too. Oh no! Oh no! I'm not too late. Oh good. A little dusty here. We'll get that cleaned up before we give it back to the customer. Let's see if it tells me. Next. Install now. Setup is starting. So this is a Latitude E7470, 6th generation. And here it's telling me this PC can't run Windows, right? Why not? Oh, because they don't want you to. And here, we'll take a walk over here and see. Windows 11 requirement CPU. AI says I can't do it. You need at least an 8th generation Intel processor or equivalent Ryzen chip. And there's Intel's website saying that you need 8th generation and higher to support it. All right, well, let's not tell my computer that. Don't give up just yet. We're gonna just power it down and power it on again. No special Rufus. I had a guy, he said, you can't do that. I said, no, I can't. He said, no, it can't be done. He's like, I've tried. I said, if I can do it, he said, I'll buy you lunch. And so I did it, and then I told him what to do. He's like, oh my. He goes, I owe you lunch. Right? Right? UEFPNY. Exit. I hit exit here. You want to save changes? Sure. Yeah, I gotta get that dust off there before we give it back to the customer. All right. We'll go keep this live rolling here. I want to thank all my former employees for the graffiti on the desk. I feel like you're still here, and that's awesome. Sometimes they come back and pay a visit to the old man. That's awesome too. And then I tell them, let's see if it tells me again. Okay, next. Install now. Now, if I believe correctly, before we got to the screen, it said Windows can't be installed. I'm using the same media. I didn't use Rufus or anything. Let me get that duster. And, yep. Thank you. I accept on behalf of whoever. I'm going to do advanced. I'm going to just delete all these and then start fresh. All right, we'll start off, do a fresh partitioning. And hit next. And now we're going to be copying the Windows files for 11 Pro. This laptop has a chip on it with active management technology? No. Digital product key. Sorry, my acronyms. DPK, digital product key. And with the digital product key, it has the Windows license already set up with an organization or activation or whatever. Basically, a lot of Lenovo, like business laptops, HP, and Dell, the activation is included. So there's absolutely nothing funny about this. There's no hacking involved. You saw the changes that I made when I went into the BIOS. That's really all it is. And if you didn't, keep watching it again and again, because there's no need for me to say it out loud when you can see it there. All right, well, we're at 12%. We'll come back, and when it says installing features, installing updates, I'm really not gonna switch this to any other laptop. This is exactly what it is. So what do you think? Do you think it can be done, can't be done? I'm doing it right now. I just did it with this other laptop. I do it all the time. I mean, it would be shameful to take an older laptop that is completely upgradable and not upgrade it when you can, instead of just saying it's obsolete, no longer supported. So many people think, oh, it's going into a landfill or whatever. I think what it comes down to is just being wasteful. You wouldn't buy a new washing machine every 2 or 3 years, or a new dryer every 2 or 3 years. Think about it, or a new refrigerator every 2 or 3 years. But somehow it seems totally normal to have a laptop for a few years and then all of a sudden it's old, or even 5 years and say it's old. We're running a laptop in our house that's 14 years old every day. Just regular browsing, just regular internet access, and it would seem wasteful to just say, it's old, just get rid of it. But we'll get you the new whiz bang 25,000. All right. Oh, I did forget to dust that off. Here we go. All right. Starting services. Getting devices ready. Getting devices ready. Getting ready. Getting ready. So what's a good name to call this video, since I'm in the making it? Is it called Doing the Impossible, Installing Windows 11 on Pre-8th Gen laptops? that's a little dusty. We'll get you all cleaned up. We'll get it nice and clean. E7470 i5 6th generation. I've done 2nd generation. I've got some older laptops here that have I don't know, they had Vista on them. We'll see if we can get Windows 10 or 11 on. We'll see. Obviously, there's going to be hardware requirements for memory, but as far as CPU goes, you know, I've done installs on I think 2nd generation is what I did a few weeks ago. Old ThinkPad, old ThinkPad. CD on the side, gigantic. It's like a tank. That thing was awesome. I laugh when people come in here, like, what are you laughing at? I'm like, I go, nobody keeps those anymore, and they're so awesome. I love them. They make me kind of just chuckle inside, you know. I don't know why. Kind of goofy, but still getting ready. I promise you, this will be fast. I think we've got solid state drive in here. Maybe this originally came with an HDD, a hard disk drive, a mechanical drive, a spinning drive, spinny, moving parts, upgraded, took that out, put in a solid state drive, no moving parts. Once this thing is on and going, it's like night and day. A very popular upgrade. People come in, my computer's slow, try to figure out why it's slow. A lot of times it is hardware, sometimes it's a combination hardware, software, memory, but just a moment. The moment we've all been waiting for, except for me, because I've seen this before. Whoa, 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 what is this? That is this the right country or region? Well, it's certainly not Afghanistan, so I'm going to say yes. Thank you for putting United States first, so I don't have to scroll down through all the U's. I love United, Emirates, whatever, the Virgin Islands, but I like this right up top where I get it. So I'm going to go through, finish setting things up, but this is the part that nobody gets to or can't figure out. Take this out now, and yeah, that's it. Maybe I make another video that shows going through all the steps on these, but it's pretty simple. I just click no on everything. So I'd say the only other steps when I go through and set up Windows on here, going past the hello screen, is anytime that Microsoft wants to put an account on and it's forcing me to put my email on and I don't want to, I just want to set it up as a generic Windows account. There's some other steps that are other text, and it's widely out there. It's the OBE, basically going into command prompt and making a few changes that will let you set it up without having to put your Microsoft account in, because you can always do that and set that up later. But that's about it. We got Windows 11 set up on an i5 6500U Dell E7470. We do this stuff all the time. For us, it's simple. Might be a little bit tricky for other people, but anybody can do it. And yeah, definitely, if you can, save all your old stuff, save your old cars. You don't need all the computer stuff. Keep stuff going. That's about it. So I hope you liked it. Hope it was helpful. And that's about it. Have an awesome day.